Need to connect your phone to your Windows computer. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete setup process for Phone Link on Windows. We'll go from opening the app to pairing your phone and enabling all the important features, so you can start using your phone right from your PC. Start by opening the Phone Link app on your Windows computer. If you can't find it, click the Start menu and search for Phone Link. Open the app and you'll be taken to the welcome screen where the setup begins. If you're asked to sign in, use your Microsoft account. It's important to use the same account you'll use on your phone because this allows both devices to sync securely. Yeah, it only takes a moment. Next, choose whether you're setting up an Android phone or an iPhone. Phone Link supports both, although Android devices usually include a few more available features. For Android, install or open the link to Windows app on your phone, then sign in with the same Microsoft account and scan the QR code shown on your computer. If you're using an iPhone, simply follow the Bluetooth pairing instructions until both devices confirm the connection. After pairing, your phone will ask for permission to share notifications, contacts, messages, photos, and call information. Tap Allow for each permission if you want to use the full Phone Link experience. This helps unlock all of the app's features. Once everything is connected, Phone Link will load your phone information automatically. You can now browse recent photos, send and receive messages, answer calls, and manage notifications directly from your Windows computer. It's a great way to stay productive without constantly reaching for your phone, and that's all it takes to set up Phone Link on Windows. After the initial setup, your phone and computer will stay connected whenever they're ready to sync. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials and helpful tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.